Earthquake. Sudden shaking of the ground. Tornado. A violent rotating column of air. Hurricane. Tropical storm with strong winds and heavy rain. Flood. Overflow of water into normally dry land. Wildfire. Uncontrolled and rapid spreading of fire. Volcanic eruption. The release of magma, ash, and gases from a volcano. Drought. Prolonged period of abnormally low precipitation. Blizzard. Severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds. Sinkhole. A hole in the ground caused by the collapse of a surface layer. Lightning strike. Discharge of electricity between the atmosphere and the ground. Heat wave. Prolonged periods of excessive high temperatures. Landslide. The movement of rock, soil, and debris down a slope.